Hi everybody, today we have a really fun craft to help us de-stress a little bit. We are going to be making a paper circle spinner. It's actually really fun to play with, and I'm going to show you how you can make it at home. All you need is paper and some glue, maybe even some tape if you don't have glue, just a few easy steps. So all you need is a plain sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper, and you are going to fold it 3 times lengthwise, or if you remember from elementary school, hot dog style, 3 times in on itself. Make sure it sort of matches up here. And then you're gonna fold each side back in half in the other direction so that you end up with some different creases. So this way, and then I'm gonna flip it and fold it back the other way. So you've got your folds lengthwise. You're going to unfold the whole thing. So you have this accordion paper, and you're gonna fold it the other way, or hamburger style, in half once. Make sure our edges match. And then you're gonna fold each edge back the other way once. So, fold to meet the crease. I'm gonna flip it over and fold on the other side, like so. Okay, now that we have our paper folded, we are going to make some accordion style pleats. So you're gonna turn your paper and start folding along the lines that are already marked for you. And fold it all the way down till you get to the end of your paper. Make sure you stay in the lines. No trouble. Just like this. So this is the trickiest part of the fold. You can see as you have your paper folded together that this side has 2 edges and this side has 3. You're going to want to keep that in mind as you fold your paper together. Find the side with 2 edges, and you're going to start pulling the sides apart. Your goal is to end up with a piece of paper in the shape of a V. So I'm separating my edges and keeping them intact. It's a little tricky. Trust the process. If it doesn't look right to you, it will. So now I have a V. You're gonna flip it over to the other side where it has 3 edges, and you're gonna make an M. So you start pulling the edges away from each other. We're making the next leg. Just be patient. Keep it together, and you'll see we've got something that looks vaguely, well, not an M, but it has 3 sides. Now to finish our M, you're gonna do the same thing to the last remaining side of the paper. You're gonna pull out the edges. Make sure you got everything in there. Keep it together. Keep it all folded together. And you've got your M. Now, I've already done this with the other 5 pieces of paper, and you are going to then need to take your glue and match up each side, each M together, glue the edges so that you create a circle, just like this one. I'll show you how that looks in just a second. Okay, so I've got all of our separate 5 pieces of M-shaped paper stuck together. All you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it around in a full circle. Make sure that the legs on each line up, and there you have it, a fun circle spinner toy to make in between homework breaks. You're checking out our e-resources like Brain Fuse while you're doing homework. Check out Creative Bug as well for other fun craft ideas. Show us pictures on our Facebook page if you make your own circle spinner and if you decorate it. And we will see you next week for more fun crafts. Bye everybody.